How can you play arpeggio with your left hand? How can you create them? Hi, welcome back to part 3 of this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use arpeggios in your left hand to create beautiful flowing accompaniments. There are 3 important steps. The first step, understand the harmony. A second step, patterns and expression. And a third step, coordination with the right hand and the melody. Whether you are into pop, classical or cinematic styles, this is a core skill that will take your playing to the next level. So let's go into it. First step. It's important to understand what chords you are working with. Arpeggios are just broken chords. Instead of playing a full chord like C major, you play the notes one after another like this. C, E and G. And let's go to G major chord. We play G, B and D. Let's go to A minor and we play A, C and E. And F major. And we play F, A and C. So start with basic trials. C major, G major, A minor and F major. Just play them as 1, 3 and 5 in the left hand. You can practice common progressions like C, G, A, F and just arpeggiate each chord. And so on. So let's go to step 2, patterns and expression. If you just play straight up and down, it can sound flat. So let's add some variation. Try spread out the notes like this. C in the bass and then G and the E. Let's play it here. Let's go to G. The B, let's play it here. Let's go to A minor. The C, let's play the C here. Let's add our melody. And so on. So, this gives your left hand more richness and space, especially if you are playing solo piano. It works beautifully in ballads, film music or anything where you want a fuller sound. Just be careful not to go too low with the root note. Below a certain point it gets muddy. So feel free to mix the pattern. Experiment with holding some notes longer than others. Let's play part 2 of our improvisation. So let's skip the third note. Let's skip the A. Once again, we skip the third. We skip the third. We skip the third. A very nice sound. So mix it. Once again. Okay, let's go to step 3, coordination with the right hand. Well, this is where it gets really musical, combining your left hand arpeggios with the right hand melodies. Start with a simple melody in the right hand, like a short phrase we already have in our improvisation. If you want, start with a single note. And so on. The left hand acts like the foundation. It's very important. It keeps the harmonic and rhythmic flow steady. So let's add some other notes to our melody and combine it with our arpeggiation and our left hand. And so on. I will keep repeating myself. You have such a wonderful musical gift. You can learn to improvise no matter if you are a beginner or more advanced. But what you need is a structured path, one step at a time. Melodies, arpeggios, chords, voicings, dynamic. My free guide provides a structured path. You can download it in the description. It's free for you. So, and that's for today. With just a few chord patterns and some creativity, you can already sound expressive and professional. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. I would love to hear how you use arpeggios in your own improvisations. Thanks for watching. And in the next session, I will teach you to apply voicings in chord inversions. How to use A minor with different voicings. I will see you there.